Well, folks, season's coming to an end. You can see Sue's packing up, and so are we. You also can see a lot of people have left now. Lots of people do what we do, come down for the winter and leave again. There were Canadians on over there, another set down here, some people from Quebec down there. Some people leave their unit here and put cover on it. Those people did over there for the winter. Some people strap them to the ground. I'd just rather take it home, get out of the sun. What's great though, I took the handlebars off of our rad bikes, which are unbelievable, those rad bikes. Anyways, they work really well, and our electric scooters, but look at what I got in here. It's unreal. I got the 2 rad bikes, the 2 scooters, all our components, including our seats for the bikes, even Sue's helmet sitting there, and our backpacks. The front here, we're unloading, getting our tools and stuff out, getting it ready, and we'll put all the extension cords in the bucket and stick it back in there. We'll take this pole off so the guys can come and just pick the trailer up. We found the company to tow it to Buffalo. But from this side, you can see the bikes too. There are the 2 wheels, and you can see the handlebars. I just got to tie them down so it doesn't break anything off there. But yeah, it fits all in there. Look at that. It's just unreal how nice and neat. And then what I did is I actually put a padlock and locked them on in there. You can see the lock is there. So if someone tries to steal these, they have to cut the lock because you won't get them out. They're pretty and they're tight, which is good. We've got our valves closed now, our gray water valves. Sue's doing a little bit of laundry still. We'll build up the gray water tanks because we'll pull the black tomorrow morning, pull the grays, hook up our rinse hose over here, and rinse out the tanks, which will be great. In a few minutes, I'll be taking off the big Y tank. I'm flushing it as we speak. You can see this one here will come off in a few minutes. You can hear this pipe is going away, filling up the tank. We're going to go inside here and pull the black water. Watch, you'll see the hose move over there. And you can see the water all running out now. You can see the hose is shaking, which it's emptying and cleaning off all the valves. At the end, the last valve I'll pull was the gray one. That'll rinse that pipe out, stick the garden hose in the pipe, rinse it out to the bottom, take the Y section off, and I'll have this one all cleaned out, put in the sun, let it dry out, and then put it in the shed. I won't clip them together. I'll leave them disconnected, put them in a bag, because I don't want them to be completely sealed like a refrigerator, and then you open it up and it's go, oh, we won't do that. Yeah, we're gonna take the power cord off tomorrow morning, put the slides in, and get it ready for pickup. So far so good. We're just filling up our shed, taking all our dishes out, leaving all our dishes here, which is good. There's that Y piece right there, which I'm gonna remove. So yeah, away we go. We're moving, sadly. Not too happy about it, but it's off to the next adventure.